Show, play the drama Justice Apostle, written by Munshi Premchand. In this drama, the role of Algu Chaudhary will be played by Lohit.
You know, Chachi, Jumman's my best friend. How can I go against him?
The role of Juman Sheikh will be played by Bhumika.
The voice of the punch is the voice of God. Let my aunt nominate the head punch. I will abide by her decision.
The role of Juman's wife will be played by Jyoti.
Eat and die. How much do you eat? I am tired by serving you.
The role of aunt will be played by Pratiksha.
Juman, my dear Juman, my son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. Kindly give me a month's allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen.
The role of Sanju Saho will be played by Nidhi.
I can't pay you a penny for the wretched beast you sold me. You brought nothing but ruin.
Once upon a time, two friends lived in a village. Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were good friends. So strong was their bond of friendship. When neither of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. Both were greatly respected in the village. Juman had on all down. One day,
Juman, my dear Juman,
Yes, auntie. What is the matter?
see Juman, I have become old now. I have some property. I cannot look after it now. I have decided to transfer my property to you. If you can look after me.
Okay, auntie. You are my family. I will take care of you.
Okay.
the arrangement has an example of your
Betty,
Yes, auntie.
please give me some rice.
Okay, auntie.
Enough.
Have it, auntie. Have some more.
My stomach is full. I am grateful for your service.
It is my duty.
after some years.
Eat and die.
Give me some rice. Give me little more. Juman, my dear Juman,
Yes, auntie.
my son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen.
My wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient.
No, I can't bear this anymore. If you can't solve this situation, I will take this matter to Panchayat.
It is your decision. You are free to do so.
Okay.
Aunt approaches many people for help.
Brother, my dear brother. Yes, auntie. Please help me to solve my problem. What is the problem, auntie?
Aunt explains her problem.
Oh, aunt, it is very bad of Juma, but I can't help in this matter. Sorry, aunt. Brother, my dear brother,
Yes, auntie.
please help me to solve my problem.
What is the problem, auntie?
Aunt explains her problem.
You don't have any other job, aunt. Go.
People responded differently. No one was ready to help her.
Brother, my dear brother,
Yes, auntie.
please help me to solve my problem.
What is the problem?
Aunt explains her problem.
Aunt, you please suggest with your nephew and this wife. Why are you making a small issue big one? Go.
Algo? Oh, Algo.
Yes, auntie, coming.
How are you, Algo?
I am good. You?
I am good. Algo, please help me to solve my problem.
What is the problem, auntie?
Aunt explains her problem of Algo, the best friend of Juman.
You know that Jumman is my best friend. How can I go against him?
Yes, it is right to keep mom and not say what he considers just and fair. Come to the panchayat and speak the truth.
I may not be able to, auntie. Let me think.
Okay.
Aunt voice kept ringing in his ears.
Let us see tomorrow.
Next day, the panchayat was held under old banyan tree.
The voice of the punch is the voice of God. Let my aunt nominate the head punch. I will abide by her decision.
I nominate Algo Chaudhary as the head punch. The punch knows neither enemy nor friend.
Okay, fine. I am very lucky. I will easily win the case. Yes.
Chachi, you are our of my friendship with Jumman.
Yes, but I also know that you not kill your consent for the sake of friendship. God lives in the heart of the punch.
Then it is okay. Aunt, now you explain the case.
I transferred my property to Juman on the condition that he look after me, but he has failed in it. So I want my property back, or he should pay me monthly allowance.
What I have to stay in your defense, Jumman?
But of late there have been quarrels between my wife and aunt. Now aunt claiming a monthly allowance from me, which I can't pay. That's all I have to say.
What's your opinion?
Discuss with the other punch.
Okay. What's your opinion? Okay. What's your opinion? Okay. What's your opinion? Okay. We are of the opinion that Jumman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance or else the property goes back to her.
Take to the panchayat. Take to the panchayat. Good decision. Good decision.
Jumman, my dear Jumman. Saho.
Hi, Algu.
How are you?
I am fine, Algu. You?
I am good. I have a bullock which I want to sell. Do you want to buy?
Yes, give it to me. I will pay your money within a month.
Then come with me.
Okay.
Take this.
Oh, nice bullock. Take this advance. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey.
After several months,
Sahu.
Yes, Algu.
Several months passes, so give my money of bullock.
I can't pay you a penny for the wretched beast. You sold me. You brought nothing but ruin.
Then go to Panchayat.
Okay, your decision.
Okay.
now Jumman was in a tight spot. Next day, the panchayat was held under the old banyan tree.
The voice of the Panch is the voice of God. Let Sahu nominate the head punch. I will abide by our decision.
I nominate Juman Sheikh as the head punch.
Okay, fine. This is correct time to take the revenge.
Oh God, I lost my case.
Please explain the case.
I purchased bullock from Algu on a condition that I should pay money within a month. Bullock died within a month. So why should I pay him?
What have you to say, Algo?
I sold bullock to Saho. When I sold bullock, it was perfectly ordered. So it is not my fault.
What's your opinion?
The punch discusses with the other punch.
What's your opinion? What's your opinion? What's your opinion? It is our opinion that Sahu should pay Algo the price of Bullock. It suffered from no disability or no disease. The death of Bullock was unfortunate, so Algo cannot be blamed for it.
Victory to the Panchayat. God lives in the voice of the Panch.
Victory to the Panchayat. Victory to the Panchayat. Good decision. Good decision.
The moment Juman became the head punch, he realized his responsibility as a judge and the dignity of his office.
Since the last panchayat, I had become your enemy. Today I realized what it meant to be a punch. A punch knows no friend or enemy, but only justice. Let no one deviate from path of justice and truth for friendship or enmity.
From that day, bond of friendship continue once again. Thank you for all.